Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we've picked up some Zippo Typhoon matches, which are supposed to be waterproof and windproof. And it comes in this neat little waterproof plastic container. And these are actually about 4 inches long, so they're going to last a long time burning. And inside the container you also get some spare striker pieces. Looks like 2 of them in there. And these can go in the bottom here, because under this cap there's the striker. So just how waterproof and windproof are these? Let's give it a try. We got some water here. These are protected in a plastic bag with a silica gel desiccant so they don't go bad. But let's see how long they burn first of all. Yeah, they're going good. It's like a firework. How waterproof are they? Is it going to come back to life? Yeah. Hey, that's pretty good. I can't blow it out either. Wow. And if you want to burn your fingers, you can still get the wood to burn, I guess. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, we're going to do one more test. It's a little bit later, and I forgot to check what happens if you get the match wet by getting it in the rain or whatever. And it's really windy now, by the way. So I'm going to uncover the striker. And this is really well protected. It's hard to get this rubber cap off the bottom, but there's the striker. And so you get your match wet. So I've dunked it twice. You're in a hurry to get your fire started, and you strike, and it lights. Wow, that's good. And it's even windier now, but I still can't blow it out. You can probably hear the wind. It's like a 20-30 miles an hour wind now. But yeah, the match still goes. That's good. So these, I recommend them. Yeah, these are good for camping, survival, overlanding. Carry one set of these in your car. They're really good. So it's the Zippo Typhoon match set. And you get 15 matches, and they're windproof and waterproof. And they seem to work really well. So yeah, we recommend those. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.